Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Keep your cool this summer with a quality air conditioning unit from Weiss-Johnson. It's easy to feel good at home with the XC14, designed for total comfort inside and quiet performance outside. A precision engineered scroll compressor ensures efficient operation, helping you save money on your monthly utility bills. At Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Lennox XC14 has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this air conditioner for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable cooling. The Lennox XC14 air conditioner has an efficiency rating of up to 16.2 Seer, which can save you hundreds of dollars each year compared to a standard air conditioner. Seer Rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Basically, the higher the Seer rating, the more efficient the air conditioner will be and less power it will consume. A precision balanced direct drive fan is designed to provide quieter operation and longer product life. The Lennox XC14 has a 10-year limited warranty on its compressor, 5-year limited warranty on covered components. A cool, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative air conditioning solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. Striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.